Hello, I'm Talkative.
Hello, everyone. It me, Emma. Part 3 is here. So, we are in the park. Mr. Brown is there with his dog. Alex is hiding a box. And then someone else arrives. Her name is Jessica. Jessica is the office queen. She has perfect hair, perfect nails, and she loves Alex too. She saw us in the park. Alex, Emma, and Mr. Brown? Jessica screamed. Is this a secret meeting? Are you dating? She looked at Mr. Brown. Jessica wants me to get fired. She is a snake in the office. Mr. Brown looked at Alex. Alex, what is behind your back? Show me. My heart stopped. Alex looked at me. He looked at Jessica and he looked at the boss. Slowly, he moved his hand. He opened the small box. Was it a diamond ring? No. Was it chocolate? No. Inside the box was a golden key. Everyone was confused. Even the dog. Mr. Brown asked, "A key? For what?" Alex smiled. "Mr. Brown, this is the key to the new office laboratory. I found it in the parking lot. I wanted to give it to you. But I saw Emma and we started talking about English grammar." I said, yes. Grammar, verbs, nouns. Very exciting. Jessica looked very angry. She wanted a big drama, but she only got a key. Mr. Brown took the key. Good job, Alex, he said. But no more grammar lessons in the park. Go home. Mr. Brown and Jessica left. Finally. We were alone. I looked at Alex. A key? Really? Alex laughed. He reached into his pocket and pulled out another box. A blue one. The key was for the boss, he whispered. But this is for you. Oh my God. What is in the blue box? Is it real this time?
What? No way, Emma. You can't stop there. A second box? A blue one? Is it a ring? Is it a necklace? Is it a key to his heart? I'm going crazy over here.
I know, Talkative. My heart was beating so fast. I thought Mr. Brown was going to fire them right in the park. And Jessica, oh, that office snake looks so angry. I bet she is planning something terrible.
I can't believe they used the English grammar excuse. We are studying verbs, Mr. Brown. That is the worst lie in history. But it worked. But now, I need to know what is in that blue box. Emma, please.
Calm down, Talkative. We have to wait for the grand final. It's going to be the biggest, most juicy episode ever. We will have the company party, the truth about Mr. Brown, and finally, the secret of the blue box.
Oh man, you guys have to help us. If you are as curious as we are, you must like this video and subscribe to Mr. Talkative right now. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Trust me, you don't want to miss the ending. It's going to be a total roller coaster of emotions.
I'm going to go drink some tea to calm my nerves. See you all in the final chapter.
Bye!
Bye for now. Stay tuned.